Hello and welcome to TM Key Film and Dock Seas under Puget Sound. That's an arrowworm in 220 foot of bottom depth, and we are looking for anything that stands out. We're on the west side of Blake Island. GPS coordinates will give you an idea a little bit better of our location. At 200 feet I've landed, and I have a rock crab, I believe. Hard to say because he's all over the front of the camera holding on. I landed and he just instantly grabbed onto the front of the camera. A pretty cool shot, isn't it? Now, look how he is, or she, whatever. Barnacles, you see the barnacles on its arm there? So you know it's probably fairly old to have a barnacle on your arm. Look at the size of that claw. I am guessing it's a rock crab, but we are really deep. I mean, deep, 200. And look at the way he is ribbed on the edge of his shell, those little mounds, so to speak. This is really a fascinating shot, and if you've just joined us for the first time, I got a lot more coming our way. We are trying to do at least 10 days a month along the shoreline of Kitsap County, following a contract that we're working with the state of Washington on the environment of Puget Sound and education, the public, letting them see firsthand what's happening with our Northwest waters. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.